Looking for an eco-friendly essential oil to make your home toxin-free? Hi, I'm Katie. I'm an aromatherapist for Simply Earth. I love using essential oils to make my home toxin-free and teaching others how to do that as well. And today I'm going to be telling you about Rosewood Essential Oil, which is an eco-friendly oil, and I'm going to tell you why in this video. Before we get into that, let's talk about the uses of Rosewood Essential Oil. Rosewood Essential Oil has a very calming aroma. It's helpful to ease anxious thoughts and help calm and relax you. People who meditate really love this oil because it helps them deepen their thoughts. And we have a really good meditation blend recipe that we will link to below. This oil is also helpful in pain relief. It's anti-inflammatory, so it will help soothe inflammation and pain. It also has a cooling sensation when you put it on your skin, which will relieve that, will help relieve pain, and its smell is also calming. So if you are feeling overwhelmed by pain, this is a good one to not only use topically on the area diluted, but also in your diffuser to help you feel calm. Because of the antibacterial properties of Rosewood Essential Oil, this oil will help fight off and prevent diseases. You can use it to help boost your immune system. The calming effects of this oil can also help you get to sleep at night. One of my favorite ways to do this is to turn the diffuser on as I'm getting ready for bed and then turn it off as I'm about to fall asleep. And it'll create a cozy, relaxing atmosphere that is stress-free to help me fall asleep. This oil can help your skin's natural healing process. You can apply it to the area to boost your skin's healing. Sometimes when you use stronger oils on your skin like peppermint, they're more likely to be irritating. Rosewood Essential Oil can help calm those effects, so it's useful to use in blends with strong oils like peppermint to make them less likely to irritate your skin. Another use of Rosewood is it can help ease tension headaches. You can dilute it and use it to massage your neck to help relieve that tension that's causing your headache. Rosewood has a woody floral aroma to it. It's really fun to blend with oils like bergamot and lavender and cedarwood and lemon. The reason this oil is considered more eco-friendly is because it replaces rosewood essential oil, which is an endangered tree. And if you find some recipes that call for rosewood, instead use Rosewood essential oils. They have a lot of the same chemical properties, but this plant is not endangered. Speaking of chemical properties, the main chemical that makes up Rosewood is Linalool. Linalool helps activate white blood cells to help your body heal. It's antibacterial and antifungal. It also has calming properties to help you sleep. To learn more about this chemical, you can check out our blog post and its description there. This oil is generally non-skin irritating, but always dilute any essential oil you use before using it on the skin. It's safe to use with kids aged 2 and up. It's safe to diffuse around cats. You can even make a DIY hydrosol with it. We have a blog post about using essential oil with cats where you can learn how to do that. And you can use that as a spray to help calm them. It's safe to diffuse and use around dogs as well. You'll just want to make sure you dilute it at a really low percent, like 0.5 or less. And you can use it to help calm your dog too. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and let us know in the comments how you like to use Rosewood essential oils to share your tips and tricks with this amazing oil. Go and make your home toxin-free.